Nice. Right. Ready? No waiting this time. We're going in. Clingy swingy. What? Oh, I'm sorry. Did I bother you when you were doing something?
What?
You tired? Sorry, bro. I wanted to make sure. Doing what you're doing is tired. This looks pretty. Oh. Okay. No. Bad memories are coming back. Already with this. Yeah, I did it. Okay. A biter! What the heck is that? Still haven't seen a biter yet. But like, what are those? Those plants. That's a snake! Yikes. But it didn't even bite me! It's pretty easy. Okay. Oh! Immediately after I say, pretty easy. Okay. It's just alright. Okay. I got your number now. This is gonna be quite the adventure here. Just fly through. Yeah, here we go. I was trying my best, alright? I can only do so much when it comes to an itty bitty biter. It's too late. I don't want to. It's just... Wait, really? I was one coin away? Oh, nuts. I'm sorry, bro. Wait, is that a platform, or... There's a shadow there, so I can only assume, right? Yeah, okay. I was safe. I could have dropped down and nothing terrible would have happened. Except for that. That was such a goofy death. Did you see him? He just flopped over. He accepted fate. Oh, thank heavens. Alright, hang on. No! You just can't break all of a sudden. Heh. I'll get the one banana coin in here. There's 4, but whatever. I don't get it. Why are those just little flying bananas? No! No! I'm sorry! I'm doing so much better now. Okay, nothing terrible happened, so surely it must be true, right? What is up with you? Name me random delicious foods that I also totally want now. This is safe? Okay. Sorry. By bitty. Biter. I know. It's all I can come up with.
I came up with bid.
don't know when the next horrible thing is gonna come around the corner. I always think I'm gonna die at any moment or lose Diddy. Except I got my hearts back, so I can take one more hit. I still don't want to lose Diddy. I see. I have to fall in order to proceed. Oh. Look. My best. Hang on. There we go. I let go for a second. He started slitting and my stomach dropped. I'm sorry. I can't think of words right now. Sliding is the right one, right? Thank you. English no good with brain strain. I will follow the snakes, and they will lead me to the puzzle piece. Sounds like a poem. Sort of. But maybe they do. Probably the best I've ever done in that. Yes. Oh wait, I got all the letters? Wow! Not all the puzzle pieces, but it could still be anything. A watermelon. Those are green and red. Sometimes another. Flutter, fly away. It's probably going to be a level with butterflies! Maybe we should. Why not?
Because we don't have watermelon.
Oh. It's a dark day. Those aren't butterflies.
It's butterflies.
Why is there a spider? Get him out of here!
Because they turn into butterflies.
What? I could not think of something more farther from the truth.
I mean, caterpillars are ugly, right? So, and spiders are also ugly.
So they must turn into butterflies too!
I mean, yeah.
Weird. I see. Oh. Neat. What do you mean? It was a nice little thing.
Yeah, but you didn't get the chance to work with
Oh. Yeah, I would be furious. Why they gotta scuttle around on the ground like that? What the? Oh. There was another spider, except it wasn't on a web, and it was just Scuttle Master Supreme over here.
Oh, spiders don't need webs sometimes, I guess.
Well, I mean, yes, but like, I was saying in the fact that I don't like it that it was doing that. It was scary. It was going so fast.
Those spiders are just, I mean, 6 extra legs make you go faster, I guess.
Eh. Oof.
But then if you gave the spider shoes, then it would go really fast.
Isn't that actually a character in Donkey Kong?
Huh?
I know there was like a spider with sneakers, but I can't remember what his names were. I think it
I
was.
guess you're just old.
What the? No! Back in my day, the spider did wear shoes.
They just stopped wearing shoes.
Things are going well. That tree did not deserve that. What did it do to me?
It made too much oxygen.
It was bad for the environment. Ow! Yeah, take that. Now you have to live with the grief that I murdered your friend.
What would that do?
No, he's chill. I'ma get that later. Yeah.
What
That was
happened
risky.
What happened to not though?
What do you mean?
To not doing it.
I don't know.
You just started doing it.
Yeah, after the horrible, horrible trauma of Banana Temple.
So what are you doing to do
I don't know what I'm doing.
it again?
I'm just flying by, I guess.
While also
Shooting the breeze.
while also getting all of the letters.
Well, I didn't get all the puzzle pieces this time. But the letters, it just happens. See? Now we got let's see, a raspberry. That's what that is.
Raspberries are weird.
Why?
I just don't like raspberries. I mean, raspberries are good when you want something, but like, I would never just eat a raspberry.
Why not? They're actually not that bad.
I think they're good, man.
Fine. I
Like,
got a sweet key, so whatever.
cheesy raspberries.
Tipping totems. Springy spores.
Sports shouldn't be spring.
But they are, brother. They are. It's just nature sometimes.
You can bounce off spores.
Spiders. They're pretty small.
On a spore?
Yeah, no, I don't know what I was thinking. I was thinking like a small mushroom that counts as a spore, but like...
Well, it's a small mushroom.
Yeah, exactly.
A spore is the thing that the mushrooms are. Which is usually veggies.
Oh yeah, that I did know. His funky is funky. That was the word. I almost forgot.
The funky.
These totems got goofy faces. The other thing about who lives up here? Oh yeah, we've seen them on the beach and the shrine sometimes. Oh! No, no, no! Just to have they shake and then they go down. Secret! It's actually a tree. That sounds scary. How cliche! Baboo! Whoop! Morning wood. Ah! I almost died. Where these guys go? I don't know, maybe there's something underneath moving on. But they haven't done anything to me. As you stand close to them. Ah!
Or maybe they're just stealing the worst evil.
Why is there a hippo up here?
Because he's a hippo.
That is Uh-huh. What? What did that do? Alright. This level's nice.
There's trees everywhere.
Yeah. And maybe I like trees, so there. What have they done for us other than give us paper, Holmes? We're not crabs. It'll make cement. Brother! Yeah, no. Oh, I missed some letters. Now we're talking. But like, why are they up here? Darn it! Maybe if I waited one... Man, that was the worst one yet. Not only did I not get 5 puzzle pieces, couldn't even complete the letters. Oh well. Moving on. Long shot launch. How far we launching? Doesn't matter. What? Why?
Well, because he wants to walk to the house.
Yeah, launching is far more fun and safer.
Yeah, you gotta make sure you consider as much pollution as possible.
A small rocket launch just for the neighbor's house. You know, like a responsible human. Wow, and no tedious thing? Why was it just up there now that I think about it? I see, this one's barrel themed.
Imagine launching yourself out of a bikini.
But you need to be certified to do that. And also sign a waiver, I
But it's
believe.
the ultimate form of travel. Walkies are so nice, you know. If there was just a cannon everywhere, they would be so much more efficient.
No, bro. We need slingshots. That's better.
But slingshots don't cause smokiness.
We need as much harmful substance in the air as possible.
You know why? To get rid of all drones.
That was so out of nowhere. Birds aren't real. What are you talking about?
They're government.
Enough of that mumbo jumbo. What if people believe it? Ah! Oh. Well, I guess that's fine. It was no big deal because I missed a letter anyway. Who, like, meticulously put all that up? It's like, bro, this is a great idea. Ow! Just to have these things break and then close shut, and then... But, like, they were clearly done with intent. Okay, I don't like this anymore. It's too hard. I thought it was gonna fall off for a second there, and I'm grateful I didn't. No, grateful. What did I say? Grateful.
That's because I was.
Okay, I got. Oh, I missed the. Oh, I missed the O. Why am I having trouble with this all of a sudden?
It's not even this, it's just that one.
Is it really the same one?
Yeah.
Oh god. Well, see, I got my life back, so. Aha! Oh, a checkpoint. Thank heavens. See, why is everyone going so fast? It's scary. Look, here it comes. Oh, another one. Alright, this should be. Oh, she eating bananas! Oh, I thought I was gonna fall off. Wahoo! Thank you, thank you! I succeeded in this. Go me. Whoa, slow down there.
You go slow.
I don't want to do this. Hey, I did it. Oh! King. But if you replace that O with an I, then it spells king. I'm the smartest person alive, so you can try.
But imagine being king of the donkeys.
Springy spores. I don't know. What? Do just. Why are donkeys just. Actually, not why are donkeys. Why are they always picked on? Sure, they look funky, but like they're really helpful at times.
Maybe it's because they're donkeys.
Take that, donkeys. I can't really think of anything. It's just, I like donkeys. They're funny. Aren't they closely related to zebras? Wait, you don't know? I could have sworn they were. Why was that K not... That K was a little confusing. It was glowing. What do you mean? I'm not trying to be confusing. This is definitely the secret right there. It's a banana coin. But exactly that. I found there was a secret puzzle piece, so you know it all worked out in the end. You know, it's starting to get really hard to keep a conversation going because I'm trying to concentrate.
What?
What do you mean, what?
I wasn't paying attention to what you said.
It's just, I'm sorry that I'm falling quiet sometimes, and I don't know if I leave you hanging with some questions if you have any. But sometimes I don't want to fall off at some points. Oh look, I can go up. Well, nuts. That's better. Huh? Oh, another secret. Okay. Well. What? Ah! Ah! Oh. No. Oh. That was terrible. Everything bad happened at that exact moment. Okay. Well, I mean, it somewhat worked out in the end. Sort of. Nuts! Would you... Look, man, it was just a huge series of unfortunate events. Ow! But I can get that heart. How tall is this tree?
Trees are tall.
I got a balloon. Thank you. Wow, I'm doing terribly all of a sudden. Oof. We're actually close to the boss. I think we can do this one. Wigglevine! Let's do it. Yeah, man, Wigglevine. Must be quite the wiggle. It's probably...
Must be stiff roots.
I just can't handle your genius sometimes.
So why are the wiggle
They must be connected to some huge, ultra, super carnivorous plant species lying dormant in the jungle forest.
or they're vines?
Got me again, bro! This thing's ugly. I don't know. What makes you think I know? You look like you're about to explode. I see why these are called wiggle vines, because they're just wiggling for no reason. Ow!
Why do you leave it like
I don't know. Again.
Oh.
Well. I buy whatever. Ooh, secret. Wow! Oh! There are no shortcuts. I guess that's fair. Didn't want it to be fair though. Oh! I'm sorry! It's okay. The wiggle vines are too peaceful. I like trees. Haven't made that clear already? I will prove my love for tree. Oh! I think you tried it just a little too hard. Wow.
What?
I guess he is just a wiggle. He's gonna be called a freak by his peers for losing his vine. And then he's gonna have some serious ultimate arc, and then he's gonna become like the ultimate wiggle vine or something.
Or that it's not vine, it's the wiggle.
I don't care about Wigglevine. Cog!
Yay.
Alright, once again, that went really well. Oof! I bumped the microphone, and I hurt my knee. But I will live, because it wasn't that much serious damage. Okay, we wrap up now.
Oh,
Alright, and then we do one more, and then we're good to go. Oh, God!
oh!
Everything's fine.